This wheat penny sold for $120,000, and I'm going to tell you exactly why in this video. So this wheat penny is from 1917. Now remember, the first year the US Mint ever started producing wheat pennies was 1909. So this penny is pretty old. Next, this coin was graded by a third-party grading company called PCGS, and the grade they gave it was a mint state 67 plus red. Now the highest achievable grade is 70, so this one's only a few points away, but the main reason why it sold for so much money is because this is a doubled die obverse coin. Now on this specific example, it is a bit hard to see the doubling happening, but the combination of the high grade and the doubling makes this coin worth so much. So let's zoom into these areas to see if we can see the doubling happening. On examples like this, you're going to need some sort of magnification to help you see the doubling. To be very brief, doubling is essentially a mint error that occurs on certain coins that can increase the value. The reason why this one sold for $120,000 is because it is the highest grade example ever known for this specific type. So it's important to know that keeping your coin safe, not damaging it, is important for the value because the smallest scratch or nick on the coin can decrease the value significantly, especially in an instance like this coin. If you want to learn more about coin handling, grading, and values, I have a completely free ebook down below, but you don't have to do that. Just keep doing your homework and research, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.